Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to restore a previous version of a Wix website. Restoring a previous version of your site is basically hitting a time machine button. Whether you accidentally deleted something, broke your layout, or just liked an older design better, Wix lets you roll back to earlier versions. But if you don't understand how this works, you might overwrite your current progress without realizing it. Start by opening your Wix editor. This is where your site is actively designed and edited. At the top left corner, click on Site. This opens a drop-down menu with different site-level options. From that drop-down, select Site History. What this section is. Site History is a record of your saved versions over time. Every time you or collaborators make changes and save, Wix stores a version of your site. After clicking Site History, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Go to Site History. Once you enter, the page will load a list of previous versions of your website. What you'll see. Each version includes date and time of the save, who made the change if applicable, a snapshot of your site at that moment. Think of it like checkpoints in your site's timeline. Now scroll through the list and find the version you want to restore. Take your time here, don't rush. Choosing the wrong version can overwrite your current work. When you find the version you want, click on it. Then click the arrow button next to it. This opens more options, including Restore. Click Restore, then confirm by clicking Restore again. What just happened? Your current site has now been replaced with that older version. Your previous version becomes your active version. Your current version is not permanently lost. It remains in history. You can always go back again if needed. You'll also notice a star icon next to versions. Clicking this allows you to mark important versions, easily find them later. This is useful before making major changes. What you just did, big picture. You accessed your site's version history, selected a previous version, restored it as your current site. You rolled your site back in time. To summarize, restoring a previous version of a Wix website involves opening the Wix editor, navigating to the Site menu, and selecting Site History. After confirming access, you are presented with a list of saved versions of your site, each representing a point in time. You can scroll through these versions, select the one you want, and use the Restore option to make it your current version. While the process is straightforward, it's important to understand that restoring a version replaces your current site with the selected one. However, no versions are permanently lost, as Wix continues to store them in the site history. The feature also allows you to mark versions as favorites for easier access in the future. When used properly, Site History acts as a powerful safety net that allows you to recover from mistakes and manage changes effectively. And that's how to restore a previous version of your Wix site. It's one of the most underrated features, but it can save you when things go wrong. The key is not just knowing how to use it, but knowing when to use it. Don't panic restore, be intentional. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.